Now let's find out which of the following expressions are polynomials. Now once again let's have a quick recap. What is the definition of polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression where the variables are having non-negative integral powers. So let's see this case. First case, it's 1 upon x raised to minus 2. So we can write it as x square. Then it is 1 upon x raised to minus 1. We can write it as x and then plus half. So variables are having non-negative integral powers. So it's a polynomial. Okay. Now in this case it is x square into x minus 1. Suppose we expand it, it is x cube minus x square. Further, the variables are having positive powers, or we can say non-negative integral exponents. So further it will also be a polynomial. Okay. Now in this case here, this is x raised to minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. Suppose we expand it, what will be getting? X square minus 3x plus 2 by x. So we will always have an x in denominator. Okay, that means this x is carrying negative power, so it is not a polynomial. Similarly, this case here, this is x plus 1 and there is 1 plus x in the denominator, so we can cancel it and the remaining expression is a polynomial provided x is not equal to minus 1. Okay, so this will be a polynomial only if x is not equal to minus 1. Now students, what would happen if x is equal to minus 1? If x is equal to minus 1, then the denominator will be 0, or we will get a 0 by 0 form which is not defined. Okay, so this expression will be polynomial only if x is not equal to minus 1. So there is a condition. Okay. In various books and guides, these conditions are not given, but you have to keep this condition in your mind. If the denominator becomes 0, then the entire expression becomes undefined. Okay, so it is necessary over here that x should not be minus 1. So let's take the next examples. Here we see the variables are having positive powers, so this is a polynomial. In this case, this x is having positive power, but this x is having negative power. Since we will write it, it's as x square plus x raised to minus 2. So further, it will not be a polynomial. In this case, all the x's are having positive powers, so it's a polynomial. In this case, it's x square x. Okay, and the coefficients are not integers, but variables are carrying integral values or integral powers, so it's a polynomial. So I hope you are clear about the basics of polynomials.